Like, this looks like it's going straight from my scalp.
Listen long enough if you can love me.
Hi ladies and gentlemen, I am back for another video, and guess what? It is Wine and Wigs Wednesday. Clink, 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 clink. Y'all see this wig? Does she even look like a wig? Like, this looks like it's going straight from my scalp. So the wine that we have here today is from Costco. It was the same wine that I used last week in my last Wine and Wigs Wednesday. So if you want to check it out, I'll go ahead and leave a link for that video up above. This wig right here is from Nia Wigs. They are also sponsoring this video. So Nia Wigs is an online wig store where you can buy different types of wigs, and one of the wigs is this one right here. This wig is the Kinky Curly Human Hair Glueless Full Lace Wig. As far as the cap construction, this wig came with, I think, 3 or 4 combs, adjustable straps. So this wig also came with its own adjustable wig band. So you can put this wig band into the clips. The clips look like bra straps almost. You clip it into there to make it sit on your head without having to glue it down. Now, if you do want to purchase this wig or any other wig on niawigs.com, you can just use my coupon code at atamira15 and you'll get $15 off your wig purchase, girl. So, I mean, just go ahead and check out the website. Anyway, if y'all want to see what it looks like in the back, because I'll go ahead and show you. Give me just a moment to show you what it looks like in the back. So if you want to see how I customized this wig and did this little funky little teeny bopper style, just keep on watching. So we're going to start off by bleaching the knots on this wig, as we always do. Now, these knots are already pre-bleached, but I wanted to make sure they were super bleached. I probably did too much. This is not a necessary step at all for this wig, but I wanted it to look super seamless. So I'm wetting the hair down now. You can see it gets pretty large. So I'm going to use some Cantu Coil Calm Detangler just to go ahead and add some moisture to the hair and detangle some of those knots that are in kinky curly hair. And I'm also going to use the Gorgeous Naturals leave-in conditioner. Love this stuff. I'll go ahead and leave a link for it down below as well. So we're just going to go ahead and smooth that through the hair just to start the moisturizing process before we start to tame some of these curls. I love big hair, but sometimes I want curls that are more defined. So I'm just going to section off the hair and go through it with I think this is called the Nairobi hair foam. We use this for like laying down short hair and stuff like that, but it also really tames the curls on this wig as well. It kind of makes them more defined, and I do like that look for this wig, but I also want to comb it out and see how that looks as well. As you can see, this hair acts exactly like kinky curly hair. This is almost the exact texture of my hair, and it feels like my hair is just a little bit thicker. Well, a lot thicker, but I love the texture. So I'm just going to go through and trim off the ends that are kind of sticking out just to make it look more like a kinky curly bob. And we're just going to chop off the lace like we always do. So now that I've added the adjustable band at the back, I'm just going to place it on my head. And as you can see, once I place it on, it looks so natural. You really don't need to add glue to it. But if you want to style it and pull it away from your face, I do think it would be best just to go ahead and glue the wig down. So I'm going to show you one of the styles that I did. Is basically not a half up, half down, but kind of like a, what is that, a third up and 3/4 down hairstyle. And I just put it up into a little bun. After twisting the hair, then I roll it into a bun. It's a super cute, easy style, and it looks so natural on this wig. And the next style that I'm going to try is like, we used to call them foxtails back in the day. You know, I'm an old doll, okay, older for YouTube. So back in the day, we used to have this hairstyle. I see the kids are wearing it now. So you basically section off the hair in squares, and I did 3 squares on each side. And then you basically connect them together. So I'm just going to twist away the hair because this hair is really, really big. I'm just going to twist it and then pull it back into the next rubber band after I twist the hair. As you can see, I'm pulling it back into the next rubber band, and then the next one, I'm just going to pull it back into that rubber band. And it kind of gives you this really, really cute, super young sort of look. So I did the same thing on the other side. So I did decide, once I did place on this wig, to glue it down, and before I did that, I just wanted to go ahead and part away my hair. As you can see, my hair does look a lot like the wig. I'm using the wig grip as well as my wig cap to cover my head. And I'm just going to put the wig on my head. And as you can see, it looks pretty seamless, but I want it to look more seamless, so I use the Got To Be Glued gel. If you want to see how I do that, you can click on my last video. I do the same process every single wig. And I'm using the Amon Clay Forest Stick Foundation to blend the lace into my head. I'm going to use some mascara just to, I over bleached the knot, so just to blend that in. But it looks so cute. Hopefully you guys like this video. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in my next one. Bye.